faced with a grave responsibility. Thank you, gentlemen.
If you ask me, I'd slap those tough kids down before they start any trouble.
Great idea. Maybe we can get him elected senator.
I don't know about the rest of you, but I happen to have tickets to that ball game tonight.
Well, maybe it serves him right. You know what I mean? One guilty, one not guilty. Boy, oh boy, there's always one.
You really think he's innocent? Back in court with the rest of us, you heard what we did. The kid's a dangerous killer. You can see it.
Oh, what are we doing now?
I guess we talk. We're talking about somebody's life here. We can't decide it in 5 minutes, supposing we're wrong.
Supposing we're wrong.
What do you think?
I don't know, maybe 10, 12 seconds?
What do you say?
10 seconds is about right.
There is a question I would like to ask. Question is, if he really had killed his father, why would he come back home 3 hours later?
Something I don't think he could have heard. Maybe he didn't hear it. I mean, with all that L noise.
Want a cough drop?
No.
I'll take one.
I remember I was arguing with the guy I worked next to at the bank a couple weeks ago. He called me an idiot, so I yelled at him.
I want to hear your arguments. I gave you my arguments. We're not convinced. We want to hear them again. We have as much time as it takes.
Not guilty. Not guilty.